Hi, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we are going to be learning three different methods to screenshot your screen. The first method is what I call the snipping tool method, and the second method is the Windows and print screen key method. Lastly, we are going to be learning how to screenshot via Microsoft Edge. So, without further ado, let us dive in. The first thing I'm going to do is click on my Chrome browser. This is because I want to use this page for tutorial. So, I'm going to be screenshotting this page, and the next thing is I'll go to the bottom of my screen and type in snipping tool. I'll click on it, haven't typed it. Then click on try snip and sketch. It will take you to the home page. Quickly return back to the page you want to screen grab. For me, it is this Chrome page. Then return back to the snipping tool page. At the top of the page, click on new. This will automatically take me to the page I want to screenshot. Then I will decide if I want to snip my screenshot via rectangle, freeform, Windows, or full screen. I prefer the full screen, so I'll just click on it. As you can see, I've screenshot the page, and I'm just going to click on save as shown by the arrow. And I'll quickly change the name so that I can easily locate it after the tutorial. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be typing YouTube tutorial as the name of the screenshot. Then I'll click on save. And I'll quickly return back to my desktop to show you my screenshots. So I'll click on this PC. Then I'll click on pictures because it is saved there. You can see the screenshot I just made. So next is the Windows and print screen method. Let's say I want to screen grab what's on my screen. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the Windows button or the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time. And you're going to see that my screen is going to blink now. You can see now I have screenshot it. Then I'll go to my desktop and go to my PC and show you the screenshots. I'll go to screenshot, scroll down because I have so many screenshots. Now I've located it. I'll just click on it to show you. You can see this is another easy way to screenshot your screen. So the third one is the screenshots through Microsoft Edge browser. I'll just quickly click on it, and this will take me to Microsoft Edge homepage. And in order to make a screenshot, I'll just click on this Alibaba website. Okay, so I'll be using that for the example. Yes, so I'll just X this real quick, and this too. Then at the top right hand corner, I'll click on the three dots as shown by the arrow. Further, I'll scroll down and click on web capture. This will immediately bring out this pop-up where I can decide to capture an area of the screen or the full screen. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be clicking on the full screen. Then I'll go back to the upper right corner of the screen where I have the option of either sharing, copying, and saving. I'll click on the save now to save my file or my screenshot, and I haven't saved it. I'll click on open file to see the screenshots I just made, and as you can see I have my screenshot here. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.